Infrared cameras and films are advancing how police vehicles are marked. Until recently, vinyl numbers and letters have been the reliable material to mark police vehicles. But thanks to new thermal film technology, air and ground communication is now sharper and more accurate than ever. 3 benefits to replacing your vinyl markers with thermal markers. 1. Thermal markers are seen 24/7. Unlike a vinyl marker, darkness does not hinder your ability to see who is who and where they are. 2. Thermal markers clearly distinguish your vehicle from all other cars on the road. Traffic congestion makes it difficult to find your help on the ground. A thermal marker will clearly distinguish who is the suspect and who is the officer. 3. Thermal markers minimize risk and increase safety. Danger lurks in every operation, and officer safety is paramount. Command and control is better equipped to make a quick, accurate decision. A correct maneuver is a safer maneuver. Thermal film time has come. Fight and prevent crime safer and smarter with thermal markers. IR.Tools, protecting those who protect us.